I'm going to be talking about the Bissell CrossWave multi-surface cleaner. I'm just going to jump right in here. One of the main features that it has is the dual action brush roll, which scrubs and picks up dry debris at the same time. Let's get into the fun part. Another feature that it has is the two-tank system. One of the tanks keeps the cleaning solution and the water in it, while the other one keeps the dirty water in it. So another feature that it has are smart fingertip controls. To get the brush going, we just hold the moisture command button for 10 seconds, and this is gonna send some cleaning solution to the brush. One of the tanks keeps the cleaning solution and the water in it, while the other one keeps the dirty water in it. So you're always cleaning with fresh water and formula. Again, going back to the smart tip controls, we just switch over to carpet. Swivel steering made it really easy to maneuver around corners or under tables and chairs. You can remove the bin just like with any other basic vacuum cleaner, so cleaning and maintenance is pretty easy. It also has a easy clean storage tray, which makes it pretty easy to clean the brush without removing it. To get more of a thorough wash on the brush, it's very easy to just pop it out and just rinse it as you would any other rag. Popping it back in is just as easy, and there you go.
Okay, so here we have just received from our favorite online supply company, Bissell CrossWave. You can see that we have the hardwood floors here, so we're going to unbox this, see what's going on with it, and maybe set it up and give you